In this video, I will show you how you can buy dividend stocks on Trading 212 and also how you then receive the dividends and how you can reinvest them. So first, if you already have a stock in mind that you want to buy, just go to the search section in the bottom and go and search for that stock. For example, BP. And then after going to the stock you want to buy, if you scroll down, then under the key stats, you will find the dividend yield. So for this one, for example, at this moment, it's 6.73%. So then you can just go and click buy and then choose how much you want to buy and then click review order at the bottom and just go and confirm the purchase. Now what you can also do is go to the social section in the bottom and there click on pies. And now if you, for example, go to top, there you can see there are different pies. For example, the one at the very top here is the almost daily dividends pie. So here it's basically a selection of 50 companies in this case, I think, that pay dividends. So this can be a little bit safer, but of course you need to do your own research and see what you want to invest in. But these right here, for example, are all dividend paying companies. So then you can also invest into a pie by clicking on copy and then investing a certain amount into that pie. So that's how you can buy dividend stocks on Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.